everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I have rounded up a bunch of home decor pieces that I've picked up over the past few months, and I'm going to show you how I've been styling them in my home. My home is a work in progress, so some of the decor pieces that you'll see here may not stay this way forever, but I just wanted to give you an idea of the ways that I've been decorating with them, and maybe that'll serve as some inspiration for you. All the products I'll be sharing will be linked in the description box below, and if any of the products are sold out, I will be finding some links of similar products that you might be able to purchase if you are interested. Please give my channel some love by subscribing and liking this video for more home decor inspired content. Without further ado, let's get into the video.